Alright, y'all, this is TNT Killer. I have just installed, with the help of some of my buddies, just installed the new Arrow full titanium exhaust. I used to have the GP exhaust when I ordered it from my last video. I was supposed to have titanium. They gave me, it's not stainless, it's some other type of junk. I forget what it was. Anyway, so they sent me this one. It is a lot louder. I do like the look of it. I kind of like the look of the GP exhaust and all, but you know, hey, this looks good. So I'll let you know what the sound of it sounds like, and you can make your own opinion, comment, whatever. Here we go.